Hello, greetings. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mo. Your name is Mo. We are all more. Let's make more money. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. P64 crypto assets. Yes, the message today is simple. Like I was telling you guys, you know, it's a bloodbath today in the crypto market. Some people are not smiling, you know what I mean? And I'm not trying to mock anybody. I'm just trying to empower you guys or remind you guys. I am a crypto portfolio facilitator. I help you create a good portfolio. A portfolio that is like a fortress. A portfolio that you can manage and is self-custody portfolio. Okay? Because there's profit taking right now. And some people are slaughtered. Some people are slaughtered horribly because they bought at the top. You know, they don't get it, to say the least, which I don't want to say. If I have a better word to say they don't get it, I would have used that word. But the only word I know to say right now about that is they don't get it. The crypto market is very volatile, you know, and you have to have someone who know how to do who know how to navigate this market. You don't just jump in. Because I saw one guy, this is in the last bull market, you know. The guy is a very good stock trader, okay? Frankly, I'll give that to him. And me, I was in both sides. Sometimes I move money in the stock market and I move money in the crypto market. I'm volatile like that. But if you have never been into the market and you just come into the arena, don't think it's just, you just gotta look at few things and think like it's just gonna be the same like the stock market. No, because let me tell you this story. The last bull market, I don't know if any of you guys, the viewers, know Nano. You know, Nano is a cryptocurrency that is built on dark architecture, and it's very fast, and people like it at that time, you know. So it's like a season, so people like it a lot. And what Nano does was it have a very fast transaction, and the way they build their architecture, I like it. Frankly, I think it's better than Bitcoin. But in security wise, Bitcoin have better security than Nano, because Nano is feeless, so sometimes the network gets spammed and it causes problem. But he came from the stock market, and he came to the crypto industry thinking that it's same, and he looked at Nano, seeing that Nano have a lot of potential, because you see the market cap was so low, and you know there's a use case which is, you know, fast transaction. You can send Nano in seconds. It's there, you know. So when he came, he looked at Nano and like compare it to Bitcoin, and then he's like, damn, this thing is cheap and it's going up. So he just jumped in. That time Nano is already top. I don't know what kind of technical indicator he used, whatever. He bought it over there at the top, man. This guy just poured money on it. He thought this is the deal. The thing start ravaging so hard on him. God, everybody, man, started cracking, man, because it was so funny. This guy think he know it all because he just came to the stock. Came from the stock market, and without really taking his time to understand the market, he just see one crypto and think that's going up. It's just gonna keep going forever, and he don't know Nano was minuscule, you know, in market cap before it get to that 200 and something or $1 billion market cap. That's like a max market cap for Nano at that time. It's oversold, so it have to be it have to come down if you look at the technicals correctly. So he just jump on it and just piling a lot of money on it, and boom, that thing start crashing, man. That guy lost so much money. That's how he got cleaned up. Yeah, so to avoid those kind of scenarios or that happen to you, you have to have someone who really know this industry, like me. You know, I'm a crypto portfolio facilitator, and I'm not just saying this thing. Try me and see. Just try me. Try me. I'm daring you to try me. Let me show you what cryptos to hold. And you can be too diversified. My thing is max is 3. You know, even if you go with 1, it's fine. Okay, but max is 3. In case this kind of thing happen, you are able to manage your portfolio very well. You can start taking up, you know, downsizing to a point where, you know, it's not gonna be so hurtful. You have some liquidity to get back in there to, you know, maximize that potential when it start going up. All right, so today is hard on some people, very tough on some people. Some people lose thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So it's sad day for a lot of people, but it's a very happy feeling for lots of other people who know this market, like me, because this is my second video. The first video I've been telling, I told you guys, you know, the indicators are showing me that this thing could go even a week or even 2 weeks. And now, if you look at the technical, the indicators, it's showing some bearish sign, man. I don't know how far this thing can really go. But the most important thing is